G'day there, my name is Stuart Bott. I'm originally from Perth, Western Australia. So I have been in the United States for about 3 years. Currently I'm a Year 5 teacher at Wilson Elementary School in Hays, Kansas. And what we were doing is we have 3 Year 5 classes, and I was teaching social studies and reading. One of the other teachers was teaching maths and science, and the third teacher was teaching writing and also grammar. And we would rotate our kids, so we had 70 students that we would be teaching, but we only had the two specific subjects. Because of COVID-19, we've decided that we'll have our own contained classroom next year. So for me, that's going to be a challenge, because now I need to, being new to teaching in Kansas, I need to really look into the math curriculum, but also science, and also the writing part of the curriculum, but also get all the materials and programs and kind of get all that sorted. So that's kind of my upcoming challenges. I suppose one of the challenges I've just gone through was, and I suppose we all have, or anyone out there who is an educator, was teaching from home. So changing from a classroom to an online course. So that was a big challenge. It was a learning curve, but I'm grateful for it, and definitely honed in on some of my technology skills during that time. I'm looking into just continuing to teach. It's my first year teaching in Kansas, so I'm looking at continuing that. But also, once I finish this degree, I will be looking into some doctorate programs and seeing what courses I might be able to take up then. So I'm enjoying back at university and all the learning and all the new skills I'm gaining. So I'm thinking, why stop at the Masters, and I'll continue, and hopefully I will, and see how I go. Thanks for watching. Bye.